Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to recover your permanently deleted files and folders on Windows. So I have 5 different methods in which you can actually try and retrieve all those deleted files. So for the first method, we need to check file history or backup. So if you had a file history or another backup system enabled, you can restore files. You just need to press Windows plus S and search for restore your files with file history. Open it and browse through available backups. Select the folder or file you want to restore. Click the green restore button. If file history wasn't enabled, move on to the next method. So for me, Windows S, just have to search this one, and it currently says no file history is found, which means I was not able to enable file history. Okay. On the second method, restore from previous versions. So navigate to the folder where your deleted file or folder was stored. Right click inside the folder, show more options, restore previous versions. Alright, and if restore points or backup exists, select a version before the deletion, and then click restore. So we're just gonna click on the folder, for example this one. Alright, and just show more options and just click this one. All right, and again, if restore points or backups exist, you can select a version before deletion. Now you click on restore. Now if that still doesn't work, you can proceed on method 3, which is to use Windows File Recovery, which is a Microsoft tool. Microsoft provides a free recovery tool via the Microsoft Store. Open Microsoft Store and install Windows File Recovery. Open it using command prompt, which is CMD, run as administrator. Alright, now use syntax. You just have to copy this on the CMD and paste it. Replace C with the drive where the file was deleted, and then replace D with the drive to save recovered files. Alright, replace the path with the deleted file's original location, and then press enter. Wait for scan and recovery. Alright, Windows File Recovery supports different modes, regular, extensive, depending on drive type. Alright, and for the fourth method, you can actually use third-party recovery software. If Windows tools don't work, third-party programs may help, especially if files were recently deleted. Alright, and here are the popular options that you can use. Recuva, it's very free and easy to use. Disk Drill, Ease US Data Recovery Wizard, Mini Tool Power Data Recovery. Steps are usually you have to install the recovery tool, preferably on a different drive to avoid overwriting data. Select the drive where files were deleted, and then run a deep scan, preview, and recover files. Alright, and for the final step, if none of those steps actually worked for you, all you have to do is professional data recovery. If none of the above work and the data is critical, you may need a data recovery specialist. This is usually expensive but effective for drives with physical damage. Stop using the drive immediately after deletion to avoid overwriting data. Always save recovered files to a different drive or partition than the one you're recovering from. For future protection, enable file history or OneDrive backup. Alright, so those are the 5 methods that you can actually try to retrieve your permanently deleted files on Windows. Now, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and see you all in the next.